Today our topic is process of mitosis. How cells increase their number? Mitosis is the process by which a cell divides and replicates its DNA, resulting into genetically identical daughter cells. During mitosis, the chromosomes in the cell nucleus condense and the nuclear envelope breaks down. The chromosomes are then separated by the spindle fibers and pulled to opposite sides of the cell. Finally, the cell divides, forming two new nuclei with identical genetic information. This process is necessary for tissue growth and repair in multicellular organisms. Interphase, the stage of the cell cycle that occurs before mitosis. First stage is prophase, chromosomes condense and become visible. The nuclear envelope breaks down. Second stage is metaphase, chromosomes align at the center of the cell. Chromosomes are attached with spindle fibers. Third stage is anaphase, the chromosomes are pulled apart by the spindle fibers to opposite sides. Fourth stage telophase, the chromosomes decondense and a new nuclear envelope forms around each set of chromosomes. Finally, the cell then divides through cytokinesis to form two identical daughter cells.